Hi, my name is Jared Levin, and I'm here to talk about how pollution has affected our society over the past many years. Um, it has caused major damage to the ecosystem and biodiversity, as well. It's caused a lot of harm to us. The spread of pollution and pollutants uh, from the three main types. You got water, you got land, and you got air. Uh, I read somewhere that in Bhopal, India, due to some instance with air pollution, 8,000 people died and many more were permanently injured. And it's a pretty devastating event. Um, I think one of the biggest problems with pollution is the amount of waste that is blown into the ocean every single year. It's somewhere around 10 metric tons, and that is an extremely large amount of trash. Now, only a small percentage of that is recycled, which is something that I don't feel like as humans we do a lot anymore. There was a movement way back where people did do that, and then all of a sudden we just stopped. And only 20% of that waste is burned. I believe it's 20%. But either way, it's a huge problem that that much waste is blown into the ocean, and it's damaging ocean ecosystem. It's damaging coral reefs. The Great Barrier Reef was affected by this so much that people can't enjoy it now. So it's a major problem, and land pollution is caused by human debris, trash, stuff that we do every day, and we just need to be better as human beings and be more eco-friendly and think about the long-term effects that this will have on society. If we keep going at the rate we're at, soon a lot of our beaches will just be filled with trash. You see pictures online, all these photos of trash just getting pulled up onto the shore, and there are organizations that have dedicated themselves to getting rid of it and picking it up, but that can only do so much. We need to come together. We need to, uh, political people in politics, our world leaders need to realize how much this is damaging our society. It's enough is enough. And I know we rely on like a lot of this stuff, like burning of fossil fuels. I know we rely on it a lot, but we need to look at the long-term effects and devote ourselves to finding more energy efficient ways to go about life. So I believe that this is what we need to do, and yeah.